Hey, it's Owen at Central Vacuum. We're at another project in Mokena, Illinois. Let me show you our setup for this home. Okay, this has a double garage. And in the one garage, we have a traditional central vac inlet with a hanging hose that they can plug in and vacuum the garage and the vehicles. Now in the second garage, the machine is going to be located in the back corner. We have a line coming from up above and a line going down to the basement. This is going to be MD equipment on this job. So the unit hangs on two studs, mounts a little lower. So we have our dedicated outlet, and we'll Y these pipes together, come in the right side of the machine. This being a filtered unit going in a garage, which is a sealed airspace from the house, we do not need an outside exhaust line. Let's go inside. Inside the house, we have hide-a-hose inlets. That way you have all the power and the hygiene benefits of a central vac system, but you don't have to carry the hose, get it out, or put it away. Our first hide-a-hose is in the mudroom area, where we can easily clean one of the most cleaned parts of the home. This one also reaches out into the kitchen. Now on this ranch floor plan, we have the master suite on the one side, and we have other bedrooms on the other side. To clean the guest bedrooms, we have an inlet here with a hose that you can pull out and vacuum the hallway in here, in there, in there, and in there from one location. And then when you're finished, as you know, the hose will retract back in the wall. To clean our master, originally I said put the inlet here to allow you to use the same hose to clean out into the great room area. But surprise, surprise, not everybody wants to see their central vac system like I want to see mine. So the owners asked us to switch it to be inside, where it will adequately cover the master bath, the master bedroom, closet. And you could take this same one and go out into here if you already have it pulled out and working. But really, the best option to cover the main part of this house is from our inlet right there. All the piping goes overhead in the attic. A separate 40-foot raceway for each hose. All the piping nice and low, so it'll be covered with insulation. That's it for that one. Remember, every time you clean with a central vacuum system, none of the exhaust is coming back in. None of the dirt is being transported around the house with you. It's all being removed. And to me, that's a really great idea. If you're in the Chicagoland area and you would like us to design a cleaning system that suits your home and your family, give us a holler. As always, thank you for watching and happy vacuuming.